Hi everyone, I'm Ruslan, a Chief Technical Officer at Getfloorplan. In this video, I'm talking about why our AI creates visuals similar to real photos and videos. In our work, we focus on the quality of visuals. That's why we work on Unreal Engine. Did you know that it is light distribution technology that helps achieve realistic images? Unreal Engine allows us to render the layout in a photorealistic quality. In the engine, we use path tracing, a ray tracing algorithm that uses a model of light reflection to create a realistic visual effect. It simulates the interaction of light and materials by following the path a ray of light makes, from the source of light to the camera, simulating the actual path of the light source to the object and its interaction, reflection, and absorption. This is how they do it in the very top games, for example, Fortnite, BioShock, Rocket League. Such visual effects allow people to visualize themselves better in their future home, to understand the size, room features, and to estimate the scale. According to statistics, attractive visuals on real estate platform sites attracts 30% more views to the cart of the object than as without 3D layouts and 360 video. Check out our other videos as well and leave reactions. See you in the next videos!